Okay, so I just want to show you guys this because this is the Heco 520. Created. The stove is over 1,000 pounds. It is so heavy. I currently have this on 2 different kind of furniture dollies that are each slid underneath the bottom of the stove. And I am moving this right now because I'm going to make some videos on it. And I just literally want to show you guys how easy it is to move the stove on a furniture dolly all by myself. So again, this is like 1,000 pounds. And like, yeah, I gotta use some muscle, but I mean, boom. Look at that. And just little old me can move this big old stove by myself on 2 furniture dollies. So if you are like maybe storing the stove or something like that and you're not quite ready for the installation, taking the stove off the pallet, putting it on these dollies is an excellent idea to make it super easy to move your stove in the future. Even if it's 1,000 plus pounds, you can do it all by yourself. If you guys like this video, please give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. God bless y'all. Have a wonderful day.